Welcome back. Okay, next we're going to be talking about the demo site installation. Okay, the thing about the Astra theme, it comes with already prepared site. Okay, that's the whole idea of being able to set up a site within minutes and hours. Okay, it comes with some already made templates. So I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be installing one of those templates. So the first thing you're going to do is to know what the Astra starter template is. Okay, now Astra starter template is a plugin. Okay, and for you to install it, you can come here and just click on starter template. Okay, or you can just come to plugins and then search for starter plugins, add new plugins, start for starter Astra. Okay, Astra. All right, so you can see it's number one here with over 500 active installs. So I'm just going to click on install now. Okay, now this is how you install a plugin. Okay, the same process I'm using to install this Astra template. It's the same way you install a plugin. Okay, we're going to install some other plugins later so that you become conversant with it, but for now all what we need is this starter template. So I've installed it, so the next thing is you have to activate it also. Okay, and then while that is activating, okay, you can see it is activated. All right, activated. So now once it is activated here, you can then go to the next stage. Okay, for you to go to the next stage to know, okay, what kind of template do you want. This Astra template comes with a lot of different types of templates. Okay, so you have to know the kind of template you want for your site. Okay, like I said, most they are all already made. Okay, so if you already have an idea of how your site will look like, okay, so this template is what's going to help you. So I'm going to go to, for you to get the starter template, to know which particular template you are going to be needing, you come to appearance. Okay, and then you see starter templates here. Just click on that. All right, and then we are going to come up with the next option. All right, it has Elementor, Beaver Builder. Now all these, they are all called what? Page builders. All right, they are called page builders. They are all very good, but I've used Elementor. I've not used any of all these, so I've not tried them out. Okay, so I've used Elementor, so we're going to be using Elementor in this class. Okay, if you want to be very good with WordPress, you can also take a look at the other one. So you're going to choose which builder you're going to be using. Just select Elementor. I think it's one of the most popular builders there is anyway. So okay, now I have selected Elementor. Okay, now the next thing you're going to do is to search for a template that you think is going to make sense. All right, we are doing a training, so let me see if there's anything on training site. Let me see if there's anything on training, dog training, pet training. Okay, let me see this. We have a fitness trainer. Okay, now for everyone, you see, you're going to just okay, there's an e-course here, learn Photoshop. Okay, I'm going to select this. All right, I'm going to select this, and then I'm going to preview. All right, now preview is important because you need to know what it looks like. Okay, in real life, what your site is going to look like. This is what it's going to look like. Okay, so you have to start preparing yourself. Okay, prepare your mind. This is what it's going to look like. So all right, okay, so okay, all right, so if I install this template, this is what the site is going to look like. So there are other templates that you could install. Okay, a lot other templates. Okay, let me leave these and let me go okay, let me go back and then let's try another one. Let's see, we have e-course. Okay, let's try this. Okay, preview sites. always preview to know what it's going to look like. Okay, and then we have learn. Okay, let's learn JavaScript deeply, blah blah blah, and all right about the author, or what you will learn. Okay, this also looks pretty cool. I think it's more graphical than the other one, which is pretty cool. All right, so this is what it's going to look like, and then okay, this is cool. This is cool. All right, so you can also check the other pages. How will the other pages look like? Okay, let's see the lessons pages. What will it look like? All right, so lessons. Okay, what you will learn. All right. Okay, I think they just repeated this section of the home page. Okay, so this is home. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with this e-course. It makes sense. Okay, there is a room for login. Okay, it's not active. Okay, so we might not need all that. So, and then okay, this is okay. I think I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose this e-course. So once you settle for the one that you need, all you have to do is you can search for others. There are plenty of others. Okay, you can take your time to know which one will suit your style. Okay, so once you settle your mind on the one that you want to use, you can just get it. Click on get. Okay, and then okay, all right.